Hello beautiful people, what's up, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kimoni, but you can call me Kimmy, and it is literally 2 o'clock in the morning, but I'm gonna get started on doing some knotless plaits in my hair for the first time. And I'm sorry, I'm looking, oh my god, my face right now, my eyeballs, I just woke up. Anyways, I'm gonna get started on doing some knotless plaits. This is my first time doing it, but I'm gonna figure it out and then I'm gonna show you guys how to do it, so stay tuned. So it's very important that you get a nice clean part. So okay, and then I'm gonna use my edge control here and put it at the root of this hair. Separate it into 3 equal parts, and I'm gonna start braiding. 1, 2, and then I'm gonna add my braiding hair by holding on to this piece in the middle, whichever piece in the middle, and then wrapping the braiding hair around it. And then the one in the middle, I'm gonna pull it forward and start braiding. 1, 2, and then I'm gonna add another piece and repeat that process. Wrap it right around, pull forward. 1, 2, and the third piece. Oop. 1, wrap, 1, 2. Okay, so from here you're gonna just braid the hair down, and if you're okay with the length of hair that you have, you can just continue braiding and use that hair. But in a little bit I'm gonna show you how I add extra hair for length. Also, I use jam. Boom, boom, boom. Focus, focus. There we go. I use jam and kind of saturate the hair so that I get a good slip as I'm going down, so it's easier for me to braid the hair. See, look how easy. I got rubber bands today, guys. Okay, so about here, I'm gonna start adding hair, and I'm just gonna get a smaller piece of hair. About a little bit more. Okay, so about this much here, and do the same thing. Focus. Not on me, on the hair. Okay, so you see how I'm holding that piece in between my thumb and index finger? I grab the extra piece of hair with my pinky and then I just wrap it around and grab it and lock it in. So then I continue to braid. And because this hair is super long, I'm gonna add more hair and repeat that process. So one in between the thumb and index finger, wrap it around and start braiding. Doing all the things you like. And and make sure you don't get too much of a big piece because focus. Okay, so make sure you don't get too much of a big piece because you want your braid to be seamless. And if you get a big piece, then it's gonna be a huge bulge right here. Okay guys, so here is the finished look. I'm literally so happy with this hair, how it came out, and I hope that this video, I cannot get used to these. Okay, anyways, I hope that this video helped somebody, and I'll see you guys next time. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching my video. Comment down below on how you think I did. What else? Follow me on my Instagram. Add me on TikTok. What else? Am I missing something? Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.
And I shall insist on the right to have as many love affairs as I please. I'm certainly not going to sacrifice one iota of my freedom or dignity for any man. Hello?